behind door number 1. Alrighty, I burn up water. That compressor's not running though. Power, so we're single phase, so okay, we're not passing power. Oh, I wasn't gonna reach in there while I was live, but well, with single phase, pressure's hot. Let's get it stripped back and let's see if it'll even start. Now, how was that not tripping the breaker? Because that was... Alright, we're going to strip a couple of wires back. Red, blue, black. I want to make sure we're good at good copper there. That looks good to me. On my meter, check these, and we are open on these windings. Obviously. We're open on all 3. So, I'm going to get this compressor cooled down. Well, we're not showing the ground, so that's good. So while we're waiting for that to cool down, I'm going to go get a hose and I'm going to clean out this condenser because, well, we don't have any air coming out. It's literally just coming out right here, so. Oh, I love how they mounted that over the rain guard, hail guard. That's good. Oh yeah, she's grubby. So I just want to go ahead and see how loose this is, right? It's probably welded shut now, but yeah. Sheesh. Sheesh. We got those turns in there. Same side, same on this side. You gotta get those snugged up, you know what I mean? Alright. I think I'll disconnect off, I guess. Sheesh. So we got her cooled down. Let's see if we did the trick here. Sorry, I'm a little... There we go. Okay, I can get with it. Try these. Now this is a 3-phase, so our winding should all be about the same. Get these damn leads to stick. Alright, 1.2. 1.2. Alright, so she's running, boys. She is running. Pulling a healthy 10.36 amps, I think is what was on there. So I'm going to go ahead and break out the fill piece. My fill piece probes. That's right, me. Perk number 1 to these. I don't have hoses hanging out of this panel right now. Yeah, I mean, I'm really doing something over here. Alright, so we cut our wires back past the overheated parts. You can see these are kind of discolored here, so we're going to cut them back to where it's clean copper. Got us a nice little contactor on there. And jeez, calm down, girls. Woo-wee! So we're going to go ahead and let that one run. We're going to come over here to this old girl. Now, she's been running off and on, cycling. But however, that coil was dirty, so we'll see what we're working with over here. That coil doesn't look bad. Does not look bad, ladies and gentlemen. But we're still gonna give it the old wash down. Now, as you can see from over here where I'm cleaning this coil, I'm actually monitoring that system with my probes. Yeah, try that on for old head. Who called me old head? Which one of y'all? Now, just because I got a little gray in my beard up there and up top on the head, maybe I am an old head, but guess what? Old head with new tech. Check out that hat also.